In July 1944, Ford's Willow Run plant rolled a complete B-24 Liberator bomber off the assembly line every 63 minutes. Across the entire war, Nazi Germany managed to produce roughly 119,000 aircraft of all types. In 1944 alone, American factories delivered 96,318 military planes, after already building over 85,000 the year prior. Did the Reich Air Ministry realize they were being outproduced 4-1? No. Did moving assembly lines into underground caves save them? No. Could any level of pilot bravery overcome that overwhelming mathematical reality? No. History has already recorded the basic facts. American industrial capacity crushed the Axis through sheer volume, but the war was not won merely by spending money. It was decided by an engineering revolution that treated aviation not as precise craftsmanship, but as raw tonnage. While German technicians hand-fitted individual fighter panels in hidden forests, Detroit applied automotive assembly lines to 20-ton bombers containing 18,000 parts. The Wehrmacht lost the air war not in the skies above Normandy, but on the factory floors of the Midwest, where raw iron ore became operational bombers faster than German anti-aircraft guns could wear out their barrels. When total war collapses into a calculation of aluminum intake and tool tolerances, military strategy becomes irrelevant. The industrial machinery of the United States did not just defeat the German armed forces. It rendered their operational doctrine mathematically impossible. The outcome of the war was never decided by tactical genius, but by the relentless, unyielding cadence of American factory shifts. The United States turned the air war into a contest of sheer industrial scale that no Axis power could match. Do you believe Germany's defeat was an economic inevitability from the moment America entered the war, or could a different strategic focus have changed the outcome? Tell me in the comments.